Hey guys, so I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to do a Hobby Lobby haul. If you follow me there, you have seen my adventures today while I was out and about. If you're not following me there, you definitely should. I always have my Instagram linked in the description box and it always comes across the screen as well, but it's just Keep Calm and Clean. Anyways, if you are following my story on that day, then well, it would be today you were following it, but you won't be seeing this today. You saw that I went into Hobby Lobby and I've got a few really awesome things that I'm excited about. And I asked you guys if you wanted me to share, and you said you did, so that's what I'm going to do.
I know you will always be the.
Alright, so everything that I got today was on sale for at least 50% off, because they do their 50% off sale every other week depending on, so like if it's wood stuff, every other week it will be on sale. But then they also have, like, I don't know, there was probably 5-6 aisles of like farm decor type stuff on sale for 40% off, and it was in their spring collection. I don't really know why it was labeled spring, because to me it doesn't really seem spring, it just seems like normal farmhouse decor. But for whatever reason, anything with that sticker was 40% off as well, and they had a ton of stuff. And then they always have a clearance aisle as well. So I got something for Kinsley's room I'm really excited about, and then I got some like farmhouse decor pieces, and like I said, everything was on sale, but I'm about to show you everything. Okay, so I got this farmhouse bread box that I am so excited about, because I have been on the hunt for an old-fashioned bread box like this. If you hear anything, it's just Tucker growling, hey. I have the windows right behind me here, and apparently he just thinks that everyone is out to get him. Hey! Anyways, I found this bread box. It was the last one, and I was so excited. I grabbed it and put it in my cart right away, and it's just a legit bread box. Let me see if I can open it one-handed. Probably not. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have big plans for this. I am actually going to drill a couple of holes back here and feed our charging cords into it and store like our iPhones and iPad. School is calling me. That's my plans for this, so you will probably be seeing it soon in a cleaning video or a vlog or something, but that's what I have planned for it. We'll see. It's just really, really cute, and let's see. It was originally $50, $49.99, and I got it on sale for half off, so it was $25, which isn't really that bad, I don't think, and it's really nice quality, so this is what I'm like most excited about. All right, the next thing that I picked up was just this little Home Sweet Home, and this was in the spring collection. It was $9.99, and then I got 40% off, so I have my receipt right here. Let's see. I paid $5.99 for this, and you can hang it, but I'm probably going to just be sitting it somewhere. I don't know exactly where yet, but yeah. It just says Home Sweet Home, and I love it. Totally random, but I picked up a chalk marker. This is just the skinny, like fine point kind, because the only ones I have are really fat, and I wanted a skinnier one, so I just picked this up. It was $3.50. So this was in the spring collection. You can tell by the tag right here, and it was originally $19.99, and I got it for $11.99. So this is technically, I think, like an outdoor decor piece, and that's what I have planned to use it. I'm gonna set it out on the front porch and probably put like a pot of flowers or something on it. That's my plans anyways. You could totally use this inside if you want it. It's super, super cute, but I think I'm gonna use it outside for now, but we'll see. All right, so this next thing is something that is going to change your life if you have never heard of this before, because I remember when I found these, they changed my life. So we have a storm door, and if you have a storm door, you know what I'm talking about. You cannot hang a wreath hanger on them. The little things that kind of go over the door and then you hang your wreath on, you can't do that. It just doesn't work. So you either have to use like a command hook, which is okay if it'll hold it, but a lot of times with weather and things like that, your wreath will blow off or the command hook can't hold it. So what you need to get is one of these. So this is a magnetic holder, and they come in different colors. I have an ugly white one right now, so that's why I picked this one up, because I seen that they had it in this like oil rubbed bronze, which is like what all of our hardware in our house is. So I picked it up, but it's just a double-sided magnet. So this will be the front piece, and then there's a circular piece just like this. You can't see it though, it's in the packaging. And you stick this on the outside of the storm door and the other one on the inside, and they snap together, and now you have a really strong hook, and I can attest to the fact that they do hold a lot of weight. So that is called an attract magnet hanger, just in case, and I found it in the floral section of Hobby Lobby, over by where they have like the styrofoam circles for you to make your own wreath and things like that, and it was $7.99. And then I just picked up this little, I don't know what you would call it, it's just decor. It doesn't hang up or anything. I mean, I guess you could make it hang up if you wanted. But it just says, gratitude turns what we have into enough. And this is something that I am trying to teach Maddie currently. And then it's also obviously a lesson that anyone could learn, and I need to practice better in my life as well. But I just really thought it was a nice inspirational quote, and something that I wanted to have out in the house to just be a little gentle reminder to be grateful for what you do have, instead of always wishing and things for what you don't have. I'm probably going to set this in the kitchen, but I'm not sure yet. It was $11.99 originally, and I paid, let's see, I paid $5.99 because it was 50% off. Okay, so this is what I got for Kinsley's room. It says, you make the world a better place just being in it. And if you saw her room reveal, then you know that this matches absolutely perfectly. And she has one big wall in her room that has nothing on it yet, other than a mirror, I believe. But this is just going to be so perfect for that wall. And it was clearanced for $35, so I couldn't pass it up. It's really huge. I don't know if you can tell the size of it, but that's my coffee table behind it. So it's like practically the size of my coffee table. But yeah, it was originally $70 and I got it clearance for $35. Okay guys, that's everything that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this time. If you have a Hobby Lobby in your area, definitely go and check out their sales right now, because like I said, for whatever reason, they have everything that is in their spring collection 40% off. If you do not have a Hobby Lobby, keep in mind that they do have an online that you can buy from. So you can always check out hobbylobby.com, and I believe you can use the coupon on there as well. I'm not sure, but I know you can find the coupon on there. But it's definitely worth a try to look and see if you can. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
You will always be there, there's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there, heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there.